natural, no makeup, little makeup, everyday on the go routine. This is what I do when I want to look presentable but not do the most. So my brows are already done. And I already washed and moisturized my face. I'm gonna go in with this Olay facial hydration mist for a little more hydration. Boom. And then just for a little more extra, because I'm extra, I'm gonna go in with this MAC Strobe Cream in the color Gold Light. And y'all, this stuff is amazing. As a moisturizer, you just wanna glow just because. Ooh, if you go to the beach, girl, this is the stuff. And I just put it on all the high points that I want to glow, that you know, you normally highlight. I don't know if you can see it, but it like gave you a little glow. There we go. I've been going in with this Milani Keep It Sweet Sugar Lip Scrub because it's the winter. My lips is dry and we gotta handle that. So I just go in with it and massage it on my lips. Get all that dead skin off. Cause chapped lips ain't cute. I just wipe it off. It doesn't taste that good either. It smells good. It smells like it should taste really good, but it doesn't. So don't try to eat it. I didn't try to eat it. It was by accident. So now I'm going to go in with this Fenty Beauty concealer. I am in the color 300, and I have like dark areas halfway here, outside of my eye, and then any, you know, acne, scarring, or hyperpigmentation. That's what I cover up. I don't necessarily do the most. And you know, you gotta get that redness underneath the nose. I just have a lot of random little dark spots that I am working on to clear up. Because my face just recently broke it back out and we don't need that. Do a little right there. Boom. I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild concealer brush, y'all. I got this from Walgreens for 99 cents. So y'all better, you know, be checking the makeup aisle when you go to them drugstores. Never know what you're gonna find. And I just pat it into my eye like so. And it looks like it's like super light and gonna look crazy, but I promise you it's not. Cause like the foundation, this kind of like oxidizes. I don't have the foundation. I tried it, but it just did not work out with my skin complexion. It was too orange for me. And I'm just doing like soft dabbing, patting motions. And I spread it throughout because you don't want it to look like one blob in the area you put it in. So kind of pat it around in a big circle. And I got a little red bump on my nose. We'll take care of that, like that. And then I don't get super red in the creases of my nose, but I do get a little red. So just dab that in there like that. And this is super quick when you're rushing. You need to go to work. You need to look somewhat decent, but you just don't feel like wearing no makeup. That's what I do almost every day. But some days I don't wear makeup because I just be over it. And then get that chin, girl. Can't forget the chin. You don't have to do much. You ain't getting much at all. Y'all, I'm sweating. Whew. It is hot. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this banana setting powder. I got this as a little freebie. Well, not freebie, it came with my Ipsy thing. So you can use whatever, you know, setting powder, banana powder, works best for you. I put it underneath my eyes because you do, well, I do get some creasing. So everywhere I put it, I just put a little bit. And then I take this e.l.f. tapered brush and I just pat it in like so. You can go on top of the lid as well, but my lids get super greasy. And then I leave the little sharp line right there so I can make, you know, my natural eye pigmentation, make it an illusion to seem like I have on eyeshadow when I don't. There's that trick. Now I'm gonna go in with this. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with this Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And I don't use a lot because you still wanna look natural, right? So I just do a little around my face, just to give my face a little more definition. Boom. Now I'm gonna go in with this Baked Bronzer by Milani, and this is in the shade Luminoso. I really like this. I've been looking for the perfect blush. I usually don't wear blush, but this is good because it's like a peachy blush and it goes good with my complexion, because other blushes, they just be like too pink and they just don't be looking good on me. So there's that. Then I'm gonna go in with this Rejae ColourPop eyeshadow palette in Brown Sugar, and I'm gonna take this dark brown color and I'm gonna dip in with this flat angled brush and just make like a small line on my lower lash to kind of look like I have on some liner, but it still looks like super natural. See? You don't have to do this. This is completely optional. You might not even have time to do this. Most of the time, I don't have time to do this, so I don't. But your girl got time today, so that's why we're doing it. Boom. Do a little some to the eyes. And you can like smudge that out a little bit so it looks a little smoky. It kind of looks like you don't have anything on, but you do. All right, now I'm gonna go in with this Urban Decay Afterglow highlighter set, and I'm gonna go in with Side Piece and just dip that in there and swoop it up. Like hair on my face. Boom. And then I do put some in the middle of my nose. And then I take this little, what kind of brush is this? Defining Eye Brush by e.l.f. And I put it on my Cupid's bow, the top of that lip. And then I also put a little in the inner corner just to give me a little more of a glow. And I might pack like a little right at the arch if I feel is necessary, which today I do. Because in the winter time, I like to look, you know, hydrated, glowy. It's just always so dry in the winter. So now, oh, my lip's chapped. little chapstick. And then I'm gonna go in with this Fenty lip gloss. Look at that difference. This lip, that lip. This is my go-to lip gloss, as it should be yours. Next, mascara. I'm gonna spray my face one more time with this Olay mist because I absolutely cannot spray my face after I put on mascara, because you know, when you start blinking, it go everywhere. And I blink a lot. And I'm gonna just curl my lashes. I would put on like some fake natural lashes, but your girl don't have any, so we're just gonna do this. But if you have, you know, lash extensions, I'm just dropping everything, or you have fake lashes that you wanna apply, that is completely fine and totally up to you. Thinking about getting a lash lift, but I saw like pictures and videos and it's kind of scary. So, boom. I'll do like the tiniest amount on the bottom, because I don't like to look like I have like spider lashes. Y'all know what I'm talking about, lady, like standing. But, so, this is the final look. Super easy, super simple. I look, you know, reasonable enough to go out in public, run errands, even go to work. There you have it. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you think. Please comment down below and share your thoughts. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when we upload new videos. And I will see you guys next time.